Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories, and this is the part 2 of the series SQL Lead Code. In the previous part we have seen about the basic of joins, mainly the left join, inner join and the cross join. In this also we are going to see some basics of aggregate functions, mainly the sum, the count. We will see the grouping by, and we will also see the having clause. So let us consider our table store. I will walk you through the table first. We have just 10 items here. ID, categories like electronics, clothes, what kind of accessories under each category. This is the product name. Like smartphones falls under the electronics, laptop and headphones all falls under the electronics, and the t-shirts and of course the jeans falls under the clothing. Then we have the item available. Okay, the smartphone 50 items are available and the price per category. So the first question is we have to find the total value of the store. If we have to find the total value of the store, then we have to find the value of each row. Like smartphone, 50 are available, price per category is 500. If we multiply 50 into 500, we get the value of the smartphones, all the smartphones in this store. So how we could do this? First of all, we need to do item available multiply by price per category. And let me also do a star here. Let me write this here. And as total value from store. If I run this, then you see we have another, if I just have, we have added another column total value, and it's a multiplication of these two rows. And now we have to do just the sum of all these, which is in the new column, that is total value, which is quite easy. We have to just write a sum, and this is an aggregate function. If I just run this now, see we have got the total value of this store, which is 82,300 rupees. I hope that you got the gist here in this total value on this, the sum aggregate function. The second question is we have to find the count of the entire inventory. So if I have to talk about the entire inventory, then what I need to do, I just need to sum this up, right? Items available, if just sum this up, that is the total count of the entire inventory. Like 50 smartphones are there, 20 laptops are there. So this is also quite easy. And what we need to just do here, we have to just do the sum of the items available. If I do this, you see I have just got 705. If you add all these things, you will get 705. So we are able to solve the second question as well. Let's see the third question, items available per category. Now we have to do some kind of a group by here, because we have to find the count or items available per category. Suppose under electronics, how many items are available? We need to sum this up, not entire, but under electronics only, under furniture only, under clothing only, under sports only. When this kind of a question come, what we need to do, first of all we need to do a group by. Let me just get rid of this first. We have to just do a group by based on category. If I just print the category now, it will be returning me distinct categories here. Electronics, furniture, clothing, sports and toys. What I need to add, a new column, like under category I need to find a new column. I need to sum this items available as sum or count, you could say, count of item per category. Okay. Now if I run this Then you could see we have got the count per item per category. Let us verify this. Electronics 50 plus 20 70 and 70 plus 80 150. Furniture we have this row and we have this row, 10 and 5 15. So yeah, this is working fine. Now what we need to find total value of the store per category. So now if we have to find the total value of the store per category, how we could find? Of course we need to multiply this items available into price per category. Will this work? Let us see first. Yeah, if I just multiply by 50 into 500, this is going to come 25,000. This is 20,000, 45,000, and another item is 80 into 150, which is going to give the same result. So what we have done, we have grouped the store based on the category. We have multiplied these two rows first, and then we have calculated the sum, which is the way we are calculating for the entire window if we are not grouping by. So now we have seen the group by functions and the sum functions. Now suppose for the count one, if I have to calculate how many items or how many product names, different product name are available under each category. If I have to solve this kind of a problem, of course the group by is going to be the category itself, but I need to calculate the count of product name. Under each category, how many products are available? Like for under electronics, we have only 3 items available. One is smartphone, one is laptop, and one is headphones. So this is precisely count 3. Under furniture, how many? We have only 2. So this way this will be calculated, and you could see electronics we have 3, furniture we have 2, clothing we have 2, sports 2, and toys 1. So we are now able to see the sum and the count and the group by function, and how this sum and the count works along with group by. Now we will also see the having clause here. See, this is just a basic tutorial and they are not in detail, because we are not going to solve a lot of SQL in the lead codes. So this knowledge is quite important, and this is also necessary as well. So the question is name of the category having distinct product greater than equals to 3. Like we need to find the category in which we have at least 3 product name. Here in this case only electronics is the category which has 3 distinct product name: smartphone, laptop, and headphones. No other category has more than or greater than equals to 3 product name. How we could solve this? Of course we need to first group by store, group by product name based on category. Once we have done the category, we need to check having count of product name greater than equals to 3. Of course I cannot use all the columns here. I have to use product name and category and count product name. So what we have done, first we have group by based on the category, and then we are checking whether the count under each category of product name, is it greater than equals to 3 or not. And let's say it should return only one row. See, it has just written me one row. What about if I just put it 2? Then I think we have a lot of other rows as well. You see, furniture, clothing, sports all have 2 different product name under each category. If I say less than equals to 2, then what should be the result? Not equal, just less than 2. I think the toys is the only answer here. And if I run this, see, only toy we have. So I hope that you got the gist here. Sum, group by, having clause, and count. If you like this video, Please like, subscribe and comment in the comment section. If you have any doubt, I will be very grateful to help you there. Also, please share this video with all your SQL friends who wants to crack some interview in the SQL department. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.